Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this really cool animated beach in Canva. So, let's get started. We're starting with a blank canvas in video format. And the first thing I'm going to do is change the background color to a light blue. Now, I'm going to go to the Elements tab and pick the elements from the recently used area because I really spent a lot of time looking for them and the tutorial would take too much time. Simply type the phrases in the search bar. That's all you need to do. To find an ocean element, type Animated 70s Ocean Wave. And for beach sand, you can type words like sand, sandy, or desert sand. Alright, I'm adding these two elements and increasing their size. I'll move it down to create space for the sky elements as well. I'll move its layer below the sand layer. I'm moving both of them down a little more. I'm grouping both layers. Press R on the keyboard and make it wider, like this. Also change its color to transparent. Select all and make a group. Hold Shift and drag down, keeping only the transparent part. Go to Animate, click Create an Animation. Hold Shift and drag it upwards. The movement style is steady. I increase the speed here, but it shouldn't be maximum until the end. Let's play it so I can show you what I mean. You see how fast it is? That's not what I want. So, click the layer, then animate, and I'll reduce the speed here. Let's play it. It's perfect now. Now, the plan is to add the sun and two clouds once the ocean comes up. Exactly where the trigger point is. Okay, we're going to the Elements tab and looking for the sun here. Click the hamburger menu and check the Animate box to only show animated elements. Click Graphics and select any one you like. I'll choose this one. First, we're going to set its size and position. Next, go to Position and drag the layer down. Okay, now we'll make the layer shorter, up to the trigger point. Press R on the keyboard. Put it below the sun and reduce its size. Make its color transparent and group them. Hold Shift and drag it up, keeping only the transparent part. Click Animate, create an animation. Hold Shift and drag it down. Movement style, steady. Also increase the speed and done. Shorten the sun's layer to exactly where the ocean has come up, and then the sun will come down. Select it, go to Position, and send it down. Perfect. Now go to Elements. And here's searching for moving clouds. Click the hamburger menu and check the Animate box. Then, from Graphics, choose whichever one you want. Decrease the size and set the position. Duplicate it and put it on the other side. Flip horizontal. Press R on the keyboard. Put it here and make it smaller. Change its color to transparent. Then group them. After that, drag it off screen and keep only the transparent part. Do the same steps for the second cloud. Select the layer. Go to Animate and click Create an Animation. Hold Shift and drag it. Movement style, steady. Also increase the speed and done. Also shorten the layer's duration. Do the same steps for the second cloud. Select the sun. Go to Animate and scroll down. Select Rotate and increase speed a little bit. It looks good. Let's add the other elements. Go to Elements. Let me repeat. I'm choosing from my recently used items. You only need to type the phrases I say into the search bar. To find this tree, type Animated Hand-Drawn Sway Tree Coconut. Okay, I'll place it here. Maybe make it a little smaller. Let me see where it is. I'll pull it down a little further. I'm shortening the layer's duration until the ocean, sun, and clouds are completely set in their places. And the other elements will appear after that. Liking it so far? Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss what's next. Select the tree and make it duplicate. I'll put it here and make it smaller. Flip horizontal. To find this element, search for Sketchy Stylized Woman. Reduce its size and place it here. For this element too, search the previous phrase. Search for Relaxing Person Under Beach Umbrella for this one. Shorten the layers as well. Search for Surfer Walking with Surfboard. First, shorten the layer. Make it smaller. Position and drag the layer below the other elements. Go to Animate and create an animation. Hold Shift and drag it. Movement steady. Let me shorten the layers. Go to Elements and search for Seagull is Flying. First, shorten its layer and scale it down. Go to Position and drag its layer below the tree's layer. Click Animate, create an animation. Hold Shift and drag it. Movement is steady. And done. Duplicate it and put it on the other side. Flip horizontal. Position and drag it below too. Animate, delete path. Hold Shift and drag it. Movement is steady. And done. Let's play it to check for any issues and fix them. It looks like this seagull hasn't fully left the page, so click it. Go to Animate and delete path. Hold Shift and create a new path. Drag it completely off the page. Go to Elements and to find this element, type Pleasure Boat. Reduce its size and also make its layer shorter. Position and send its layer to the bottom layer. Animate, create animation. Hold Shift and drag it. Movement is steady. Adjust the speed. Let's play it to check. Let's add some more elements, such as flamingo swimming tire and sand bucket. Follow the same steps. Scale it down, set the position, and shorten the layer. Click Flamingo, make it smaller, shorten its layer, and set its position. Go to Position and send the layer to the bottom layer. Go to Animate. Click Create an Animation. Movement is smooth.
Decrease the speed.
Select Wiggle Animation as well, and reduce the intensity. And done! Hold Shift and select the elements without animation. Go to Animate and select the Breathe animation. Set it to in and increase the scale. Let's add another pleasure boat. Go to Elements and search for pleasure boat. Check the Animate box and select any graphic you want.
Do the same step.
I think you've become a master. Big thanks for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe for more content, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Let's see the preview.